Greetings. Welcome to the 8th Annual Black Sustainability Summit. Give thanks for your commitment to our community and planet. Our entire event was designed with you and Mother Earth in mind. From 100% Black and green vendors and presenters, here's what you can look forward to over the 3 days of our Zero Waste Summit. On day one, registration opens at 9:30 a.m. at the new Black Wall Street Market, with the summit kicking off post-breakfast. Look forward to impactful presentations from frontline organizations on the state of Black sustainability, support local eateries, and seal up the evening with networking and a plant-based Afro-Caribbean dinner. Attire is business casual or African or cultural attire. On day two, join us at 9 a.m. at the historic Promised Land at Lake Cheryl for breakfast by the lake. Morning and afternoon shuttle services are available leaving from the Stonecrest Mall's Holiday Inn Hotel. Dress comfortably for a full day outdoors with workshops, demos, seed swaps, farm tours, and free access to the 14th Annual Original Collard Greens Cultural Festival. We'll wrap up with a Unity Circle dinner and return shuttles to Stonecrest Mall. On day three, join us at 9:30 a.m. on our final day of the summit at the gorgeous open-air Chattahoochee Hills Charter School campus as we review resources and opportunities to further our work. We will conclude this half day with working sessions centered around future steps for our sustainability. Our shuttle will make one stop at the airport around 3 p.m. to drop off anyone with evening flights before we return back to Stonecrest Mall. With over 40 presenters, please keep your phone close and stay informed via our CVents app. And remember, this is a zero waste event. We don't want to see any single-use items, any bottles, plastic bottles. Use the designated bins and the items we provided for y'all. Please make sure if you're capturing photos or videos to share them with us using hashtag BSS2023 and tag us. If you missed a session, no worries. Catch the replays online to continue your learning. We do hope you will enjoy your time with us and make lasting connections with fellow attendees. All right, you all, welcome to Atlanta.